Can I be more polite? Mastering offers in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of conversational English. Specifically, we're focusing on how to make offers using "can I" in question sentences. So, sit tight, and let's unlock more ways to express ourselves politely in English. Can I is a commonly used structure when making offers in English. This is a polite way to offer help or to propose an action that will benefit the listener. Consider the following examples. Can I help you with your luggage? Can I make you a cup of tea? The structure of these sentences is can I plus verb plus rest of the sentence. The verb used here depends on what you are offering to do. Forming question sentences with "can I" is pretty straightforward. The basic structure is "can I," followed by a verb and then the object or rest of the sentence. Here are a few examples. Can I take your coat? Offer to take someone's coat. Can I bring you some water? Offer to bring water. When you start your sentence with "can I," it immediately signals that you are about to make an offer or a polite request. Now, what if you want to add more details to your offer? That's easy. After "can I" and your verb, simply add the rest of the sentence detailing what you'd like to offer. Here's an example. Can I make dinner for you tonight? In this sentence, "tonight" gives additional information about when you'd like to make dinner. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to make offers in English using "can I." Practice forming sentences with "can I" to improve your conversational skills and politeness. As always, remember that practice makes perfect. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video. End video with a friendly wave.